Good morning. Welcome to Dr. Spine Chiropractic. Jayashree ma'am, please tell us how did you find Dr. Spine Chiropractic and what brought you to our clinic?
Yeah, good morning. My problem is disc protrusion. My L5S1 disc had protruded, or you can even call it herniated disc. And actually, it started around say 5-6 months back when I had my pain in my leg, left leg, my thighs, hamstring, and I was not really bothered about it. But one fine day, I had a shooting pain on my low back. That's when I went to the doctor, and he asked me to do an MRI, and he told me that my L5S1 disc protrusion has taken place, and I need to take a lot of rest and do the physiotherapy for about a week. And but unfortunately, with the physiotherapy treatment, I had no relief, absolutely no relief. And when I went to the doctor again, he said he gave me some more painkillers, and he suggested me a surgery, wherein he said they'll be removing the disc, and for which I was not ready. I didn't want to go in for a surgery because I've heard from many people that it's a risky thing, and most of the spine surgeries in India are quite unsuccessful. And that was the day, on the very same day, my sister called me, Sister Vani from HSR Layout. She called me, suggesting me that there is something called chiropractism, and there is some clinic, Dr. Spine Clinic in Kurumangala, where you can get treated, non-surgical way of treating your back. And her friend was getting treated here, so she gave me a suggestion, and I didn't look back, means I never thought of anything. I just went into the website, I got the number, I went through the site and came to know about the treatment, and immediately took an appointment on the very same day, and I started my treatment, and very first day I found a change.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. That's great that you were referred by friends. It's such a nice thing that when you have friends who can recommend good places to go to and help surgery. Yes, surgery is needed in some cases not. So in chiropractic we try to do it we are totally non-invasive and without any medicines. Now that you came to Dr. Spine and you've gone through your full sessions and all the package you've done, what is your feedback to people, and what is it that you felt the relief, and how has it helped you and your life since you started treatment?
Yeah, it is not that you have means you get relief all of a sudden. It's a gradual process, and I felt it at times. It used to dwindle between being good and not being good. At times I was totally pain free, and at times again it used to come back. But it was a gradual process, and when I referred to the doctor, what he says was the disc or whatever it is, it sits in the place where it's not supposed to be, and when he tries to move the disc back, it's not able to take its original position where it's supposed to be. So that's how when you may be getting the pain. But maybe that could be for about say 24 hours to 48 hours, and then slowly what they do is they just straighten your spine over a period of time. When you cross say 40 years or so, your spine starts, your disc starts degenerating, and it starts bending, and he tries to straighten your spine. So that's how he gets you back to your normal. And I started getting relief, and it's almost, I have come here for about 9 sessions, and it is close to pain free, maybe 1% or 2%. Yeah.
Wow, that's great, because over time and with good exercise, you're right, the muscles become strong, they help the vertebrae and the backbone, and over 40, you're right, spine loses its alignment, so we need to align it and bring it back to its natural curve. Now, there are a lot more other people who are not sure if chiropractic is the treatment for them. What is chiropractic, and will it benefit them? Because it's new to India. It's very famous in US, UK and Australia. What is your words of suggestion or words of explanation that if somebody is asking you, what is chiropractic? Is it good for them? Should they try it? What is it that you, from your understanding, what would you tell people?
I will say they have to come here. It is 100%. they can risk. There is no risk factor, but as an Indian, we are totally unaware of chiropracticism in India. But definitely it is going to get them relief without any surgery, and with the exercises and with your diet and with your lifestyle changes, you can definitely see improvement and totally become pain free. And that's it.
That's great. So I guess with this, more people will be able to benefit from this.
I've already started recommending many people.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah.